Let us now recap some of the important components of Framework Core by way of multiple choice questions. First question. What is the structure of Framework Core? Correct answer is option C. Framework Core has three parts: functions, categories and subcategories. Each core function is broken down into the categories and each category is further broken down to the subcategories. So it has total 6 functions, 22 categories and 106 subcategories. Let us now discuss the next question. How many functions does CSF 2.0 have? We already discussed this. Functions 6, categories 22 and subcategories 106. So I remember the function as GDRR, that is govern, identity, protect, detect, respond and recover. Next question. How many categories are there in CSF 2.0? Correct answer is option C. As we discussed, functions, categories and subcategories. So, number of categories are 22. Next question. How many core functions, categories and subcategories does CSF 2.0 have? Yes. Next question. What are the 6 core functions of NIST CSF 2.0? Option A. As I told you earlier, GDRR. Next question. Which of the following is not a function? Not a function. And correct answer is option C. This is simple. M does not fall under GDRR. Next question. Which of the following functions requires establishing policies, procedures and oversight over cybersecurity? Correct answer is option C. When question is about establishing the policies and oversight, your answer should be governance. Next question. What is the main objective of the respond function? Correct answer should be responding to an incident to reduce the impact of detected cybersecurity incidents. Identifying cybersecurity risk is within the identity function. Implementing protective measures is in protect function. And recovering system after an incident is about recover function. That's all for this lecture. In our next lecture, we will discuss about the first function, that is govern. If you like this video and want to have complete access to our CSF 2.0 course, please do check the link available at the description.